Hey, what is on guys? This is Cloud here. Now for today's video, there isn't a face cam because I didn't really feel like getting on camera, but it doesn't really matter for today's video, which is going to be how to rent a bot, which was highly requested after I uploaded a video talk about me renting a bot and botting sneakers. Also, don't forget to enter my Supreme giveaway if you haven't done so already for the Supreme photo tee. So when it comes to renting a bot, there's honestly two ways to do it. You can rent from a official renter such as Tidal or like Splash Station or 717 Rentals. And when you rent from a place like this, you're getting essentially safety and you won't get scammed and everything. They'll provide you with like all the guides and everything. They might even provide you with like their own guides, they're like additional guides and everything. And they might even give you like monitors and all that kind of stuff for the restocks, but you are paying like quite a premium when you are like using that kind of service. I would say you're definitely going to be paying like double or potentially even more for the same rental. So you don't want to deal with any headache, then I would say you could go for that, but I really don't recommend it because it's just so much more expensive and the chances of you like profiting is just so much lower when you're paying so much for a rental pretty much. So what would I recommend is for you to rent from an independent renter. And how you find somebody that's like independent is you either go on Botmart or Tidal. Right now I'm going to be using Botmart as an example first, and I'll show you Tidal. It's the same thing pretty much, but pretty much you go on Botmart. I do believe you gotta be a paying member, and I believe it's like $10 for 3 months or something around that price. Not that expensive. I think it's about the same price for both the Discords. If I believe Tidal and Botmart are like roughly the same price, so it doesn't matter which one you join. They're both really good. So what you do is after you join it, you scroll down after you pay for the membership. And if you don't pay for the membership, you guys can see like all the bots are down here. So let's say Cyber is an example of a very expensive, very nice bot. You see sell and then buy trade. I do believe if you're not a paying member, you don't see the rental sell, the last one. I do believe the rental tab isn't there if you're not a paying member. So you just click on it and then you can see like everybody renting it out for like different prices. Now the prices go up and down depending on like what drops are happening. They'll be more expensive if there's a good drop, and they'll be cheaper if there isn't that good of a drop. But you can just get an idea. Like you can see this guy right here renting it for 1 day, 15 bucks a day, 100 bucks for the week, 160 bucks for the rest of September. You guys see what I mean? And you guys see like the payment methods. And the only issue with like renting from somebody like this is that you could get scammed, but I mean, a lot of people are trustworthy. You can click on them and you see like this guy has 10 sales completed. Just giving you examples, this guy doesn't. But like if you find somebody that has a lot of sales completed, then they're just like a lot less likely to scam you because they already done so many sales. There's no reason for them to get banned because then they lose all the reps that they built up. Like this guy has 55 reps according to him, so these are probably on Twitter. And he does have 5 sales completed. He has all this kind of stuff. So I mean, you just gotta go get a vibe for yourself from these people, and I say it's pretty safe most of the time. Just like stay safe, don't be dumb. If it seems sketchy, back out of the deal. And yeah, you can just find somebody here, like any bot you want. Just say you want to rent Soul, same deal. Everybody's right here. You can find the person you want. Let's say you want Turu, a really popular bot, $15 daily, like $15 daily. You guys see what I mean? Like very cheap prices. I'm also a member of Tidal, so I'll like show you guys the same, that it's like pretty much the same thing. Let's say you guys want to rent, let's say Phantom for example. That's the bot I rent it. You guys can see like $15 daily. Sometimes you look around, you can see people that are even cheaper. Like this guy's $5 daily, probably because there isn't anything good coming out for today or tomorrow, so that's why it's so cheap. But like $10 for the rest of the weekend. You guys can see like just very cheap. And on Tidal you can see like the number right there is how many sales I have made. So I mean, the bigger the number, the better. If they have a big number, like for example this guy 59, they're just very unlikely to scam you. Like 20, like if they've done so many sales already, 744, like it's just very unlikely that they'll scam you. So I'd say it's pretty safe. And it's pretty simple. Let's say like when you find somebody you want to rent from, let's say this guy because he has so many reps, click on him and then just message him that you want to rent the bot, and that's it. And you guys just work out a deal, and that's all you have to do. Some advice when renting a bot is make sure that you guys like communicate like how long you have the bot for. Make sure he sends you all the guides and everything. Whoever your renter is, make sure you get all the guides from him. I highly recommend being in a cook group if you are renting a bot, so that if you have any issues with the bot, you don't know how to use it, you can talk to your cook group and they'll help you with the bot. I'd say renting is a lot more worth it if you're in a cook group, because if you're in a cook group, then you get all the links and all that kind of stuff, all the drop information that can help you with copying the drop. If you're not in a cook group, renting is definitely a lot riskier to me because you're kind of on your own. And the renter, especially renting from these like independent renters, they don't give you like too many information. They'll send you the guide, they'll send you the download link, and then that's it. And you just kind of have to do it yourself. So I highly recommend being in a cook group if you're gonna rent a bot. And yeah, that's all I have for this video. I think that explains like everything on how to run a bot. Just remember to know what you're doing before you run a bot. Like make sure you know how the bot works. Make sure that you have a general understanding, and if you don't have a general understanding, at least be in a cook group so that you can like get help on how to set up the bot, because some bots are very difficult to set up. So comment down below if you guys have any additional questions and I'll try to answer them, or if this video made you feel some type of way, it helped you guys out, drop me a like or leave a nice comment down below. I appreciate all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's it. So subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.